Exciting news for Samsung fans. The widely admired anti-reflective coating found on the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S25 Ultra may soon be available on Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip foldable phones. According to recent rumors, this change could occur later this year, bringing enhanced viewing experiences to foldable users. Insights from PandaFlash Pro. PandaFlash Pro, known for their reliable insights into Samsung's foldable division, reports that the company is planning to release 4 new foldables this year. These include Galaxy Z Flip 7, Galaxy Z Flip FE, Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy G Fold Trifold. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 will maintain the high starting prices of their predecessors. The Galaxy G Fold, with its trifold design, is expected to be the most expensive, potentially rivaling the €3,499 price tag of Huawei's Mate X-T. In contrast, the Galaxy Z Flip FE aims to make Samsung's foldable series more accessible, although the exact price reduction remains to be seen. Features previously exclusive to Galaxy S Ultra models. In recent years, Samsung's foldables have lacked some features available in the more affordable Galaxy S Ultra series. For example, the Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts faster charging technology and superior camera hardware compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Additionally, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, currently priced at $1,299.99 on Amazon, is the only smartphone in Samsung's lineup to feature an anti-reflective coating that significantly reduces glare and reflections. Testing new anti-reflective coating for foldables. According to PandaFlash Pro, Samsung is now testing a similar anti-reflective coating for its foldables. The company is experimenting with new flexible glass, though it is unclear whether this is ultra-thin glass (UTG) or ultra-flexible glass (UFG). The coating could potentially arrive on consumer devices later this year. Ross Young of Display Supply Chain Consultants previously highlighted the differences between the two glass types. UFG, ultra-flexible glass thicker than UTG, ultra-thin glass, except in the seam area, which helps with scratch resistance, durability, and seam visibility. UTG, ultra-thin glass thinner overall but less durable compared to UFG. Stay tuned for more updates as Samsung continues to innovate and improve its foldable smartphone lineup.